Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a chatbot to your Shopify store. Before we begin with the video, I can offer you a 1 month on Shopify for only $1. If you want that, link is in the description. So basically what you need to do is go to Shopify App Store and type in AI chatbot. Now, as you can see, there are a lot to choose from when it comes to the AI bot, but let's see what people want have to say. So these are the paid ads, so not necessarily great, but they are doing for a reason. But we want to potentially search for this build for Shopify, which is the Smart Chat AI bot. And basically, once you're on this screen, if you're not already logged in into your store, you need to log into your store, and just here you will see install, and that's basically, so you install, so you log in and install, and that's it. Here, as you can see, it's free for 50 chats amounts, 50 products are supported, some basic ad training, etc. But there's also a $30 a month and $60 a month. Of course, always read the reviews. This way you will get a better feeling of is it good or not. Another one which I would recommend is this one, TDO Live Chat. Same thing, log in to install it. You can see the video, read the description. You can see they have a free month, like a free plan, and then paid plan. So choose the one that makes more sense to you, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, as I mentioned, I have a link for Shopify in the description, so check it out.